Hi, my name is Valentin. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about right hand tirando. We're gonna play today only with our index finger on strings 1, 2 and 3. First, what is tirando or free stroke? This is this situation where a finger plays and then remains in the air, as opposed to the other way of playing, which is rest stroke or apoyando, where the finger, after releasing the string, rests on the top string. Pitch-wise it is lower, but we say it top strings because it's placed above the string that we're playing. So, however, but today we'll be talking about tirando. So how does it work? First, few words about the posture of the right hand. I assume that you're having some lessons or you have heard about those things, that there is a posture and there is a way how we hold the guitar, etc. But if you're a beginner and you never did anything, please check the link in the description for my classical guitar course for adults. The right hand is placed somewhere, the forearm of the right hand is placed somewhere above the bridge, relevantly relaxed, and this part of the hand is supposed to be kind of straight. Little bit arch here, and that's it. So this video is not about the posture, but just for you to have an idea. So you need to have some kind of posture of the right hand, otherwise you will end up doing something funny. So approach the first string with the index finger, slightly move it, and then let it go. And in this process you'll hear the sound, and then your finger will end up in the air. That's how it is. Try it again. Now, an interesting thing to understand in the beginning when you do those things is after the pluck, after the finger releases the string, when you hear the sound, let the finger bounce back to the place it was before, right before the strings that you just played. The finger plays, it contracts, and then let it come back. Now, this movement back, it's very important to understand that it's not 100% done by you. It is simply by relaxing the finger, it goes back from wherever it was. You can try that just without the string, and you will see how, if you do nothing, basically after you do some movements with the finger, it goes back on the place that it was. That is a very important skill to develop. If you're completely relaxed, this thing will happen very easy. So I suggest, let us practice 4 strokes on the first string, on the second, on the third, then on the second, then again on the first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the third string, 1, 2, 3, 4, second, and the first again. What do you do with the thumb? Thumb can stay on the 4th string, on the 5th, or on the 6th, doesn't matter. In this case, as you can see, I was placing it on the 6th string. Do not push it, do not move it here and there, just keep the thumb there. That is, in general, playing with the index finger tirando. I'll notice one thing. The finger is right before the string, let's say a millimeter before it. Don't measure those things, but just right before we play, we touch the string on the specific place of our finger, with the finger and with the pad and the nail at the same time. Then we move the string and then we release it. Now, possible mistakes that can happen in this action are the following. Number one, hook on the string. No, this is no. So try to avoid that. When you move it and the string, when you touch, move, obviously there is you apply some kind of force. All the joints will be somehow activated. So when you release the string, it's important to relax this first joint, or the third actually. That's third, 1, 2, 3. So try to keep it relaxed. In fact, it's better to be relaxed all the time. The power or the volume will come, so to speak, of pushing the string down rather than moving it up. So you can investigate that. And that is tirando with our index finger. So practice 4 strokes on the first string, on the second, 4 on the third, then 4 on the second, and 4 on the first. You notice in this movement from string to string, when I am on the first string, situation is one. When I am on the second string, it's different. And on the third string is also different. The other fingers, let them do whatever they do. Do not keep them in the fists. Do not keep them to spread. Just let them. You may find that they will kind of follow the index finger. There is nothing bad in that, as long actually that is good, because that means that the hand is relaxed. And try to think between the strokes. So touch, slightly move, release, and then reverse, return back by relaxing the finger. Take a couple of moments and think, then do it again. So avoid doing fast. That doesn't do anything. So you have to be completely relaxed while you're playing free stroke with the index finger. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe. In the next video we'll be talking about playing tirando with our M finger. Thanks for watching and see you soon.